Hi, I'm Captain Sarah. I'm with Chesapeake Boating Academy and BoatUS Kent Narrows. I'm here today with BoatUS. We're going to be talking about how to keep a proper lookout using 360-degree awareness when you're out on the water. We're going to be going through the proper way to use the scan procedure so that you can keep yourself and everybody on the water safe. All right, so as you can see, we're pulling out of our slip. As soon as we're coming out and in the fairway, I'm beginning to keep a proper lookout. This is one of the most important places to be keeping an extra careful eye because there can be boats that are pulling in and out of the slips, and there's also a lot of blind spots. So you want to be really aware, doing a 360-degree scan and definitely focusing on what's behind you. All right, so scan procedure is exactly what it sounds like. Scanning the entire area for other boats, objects in the water, channel markers, anything that might be getting in your way. The S stands for search. When you do this, I like to break it into quadrants. So I will oftentimes start straight ahead at 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. With my eyes, I'm scanning this quadrant, going back and forth from my boat out to the horizon and back, okay? I will do this all the way from 12 to 3, then 3 to 6, and work my way around 6 to 9, finishing back at 12. One of the reasons you always want to start your scan procedure by looking ahead and to the right is because it's the danger zone. If there's any boat that's going to be on your starboard side crossing you, you're going to be the giveaway vessel. So this is the first area we want to start. Next in the scan procedure, we're going to talk about C and A. C stands for concentrate, A stands for analyze. When you see something, you want to figure out what you're looking at. Is it another boat? Is it something in the water? Then you want to figure out if they're coming towards you, going away from you. Are they stationary? One thing to always keep in mind is if you're underway and there's another vessel that is on a constant heading with a decreasing bearing, that often means that you're on a collision course. So it's a great idea as you're doing your concentrate and analyze to take note of what the other boaters are doing. If they're staying in a straight line and the angle between the two of you is decreasing, that could be a collision course. All right, the last one is N. N is for navigate. After you've searched, concentrated, and analyzed, then you're going to navigate accordingly to keep you and your crew safe aboard the boat. This could include slowing down if there's objects or boats in front of you. It could also include altering your course to avoid a collision. Lastly, sometimes you might need to make a call on the VHF radio to inform other boaters of your intentions. Now that we've taught you the scan procedure, the biggest takeaway is to remember to keep a constant lookout all the way around you. Teach your friends, teach your passengers, teach your kids. Let them know if they see something that you don't see to tell you. The scan procedure is one of the skills that we learn in our on-water training courses. If you've got a boat and you want hands-on experience, check out BoatUS.org to find a BoatUS on-water training school near you. Be sure to like and subscribe the video. We'll see you out on the water.